torches, old memories and forgotten faces, reminiscing of the old glory days. Life seems like a series of delays. Need to be somewhere but I've got nowhere to be. Seem unknown to my friends and family. Why do I think that I can't be great? Life's passing me by, I keep showing up late. I told myself that I never die old, but I'm just not dying. All the good ones, they always die young. Till now I've been lying. Living a life that's perfect, but nothing's going on under the surface. Everything is set to remote control, never going fast, always moving too slow. I'm my own victim in this feedback circuit. This trajectory won't intercept a path of gold, a righteous state. Gotta take it back before it's too late. I told myself that I never die old, but I'm just not dying. All the good ones, they always die young. Till now I've been lying. I'm just not dying. It's time to stop trying. All the good ones, they always die young, but I'm only surviving. Power won't be coming for a while. I don't have it, so I keep a fake smile. Being sane has a toll. Demons coming round, and when they